Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Fandom account permanently. So if you want to delete your Fandom account, you'll not be able to find that option on the application. So what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is tap on the search bar. Now simply type in community.fandom.com. Search for it. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the community central of Fandom. You'll be able to find various help articles over here. What you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to search for this specific article. What you have to do is simply type in close my account. Now search for it. Now you'll be able to find various articles over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for help closing an account. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to read the article over here. Simply scroll down. Now in this section for how to close your account, right over here, you'll be able to find the link for special close my account. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the close my account interface. From here, you'll be able to delete your account. Read these informations very carefully. Once you close your account, all of your data will be deleted. This process is not reversible. So simply scroll down. Now what you have to do is simply check on this box that you can see on the screen. I have read the help page on closing your account and confirm that I want to disable my Fandom account. Now tap on this option, close my account, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here your account has been successfully scheduled to be closed. You'll have 30 days in order to reactivate your account by logging in, but after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So that is how you delete Fandom account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.